Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Yadi again, doing something very different on the channel. I have not done this ever and I've never eaten on my channel, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be doing the spicy ramen noodle challenge, and we have two different ones. I will be showing you clips of the little process of it and showing you what it contains in the packages and all that good stuff, so you can see a little bit of it and me cooking it or whatever. But yeah, one is the 2X and one is the mala. I don't know what mala is, but it smells different. It smells like very Mediterranean, like spices and things like that. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. And I know I'm super scared. I only tried one before, I'm not gonna lie, and it was the black packaging, I don't know, and it was pretty spicy. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. And do you want to talk and say how you feel about this?
I'm so scared.
I know, if we die tonight, you know,
I'm probably gonna cry on camera and like sniffle. We should have tissues.
I know, right? We gotta get some tissues. But yeah, now if you want to see this spicy challenge and us trying out two different ramen noodles, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So these are the three flavors. We have the 2X spicy hot chicken flavor, and then oh wait, they're all hot chicken flavor ramen, but I guess they have like different stuff to it. So this is the curry one, and then there's the mala one, which who the heck knows what mala is? If anybody knows, let us know. But we're only gonna be doing the 2X spicy and mala today. And yeah, we're just gonna show you briefly how these are super easy to make. All you're adding is basically what's inside of these packages and water. So you're gonna start boiling some water and then add whatever is in here that we have to add. Water is boiling, so I'm going to add the noodle if it fits in there. Added the spicy stuff. This is how the 2X one looks. We added some flakes to it as well, which had like sesame seeds and whatever it was, but that's how it's looking. Okay, so this is the mala one, which smells very different than the other one. It smells more like it has like more spices and very different. So this was kind of funky and it's kind of weird, and I'm kind of scared of eating this one. But yes, we're gonna try this out now. Now we're gonna take you to the back room and try these out. Cheers! So we're gonna try the 2X first and see how this goes. It's the one with the red packaging. I will, like I said, show it here. No! No!
Try with your fork.
So this is how they look, and
oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
It smells super spicy.
I like spicy, but not like super spicy.
This is how you guys want to try this at home?
Maybe we should have just not drank beer before this. Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Oh my god,
no! Wait. We gotta do it at the count of 3.
My tongue hurts.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh!
I don't know how we did this video.
Oh my god. That's spicy. It tastes good, but it is spicy. Like once it hit my tongue, I already felt. Whew.
Mother of God. How do your lips feel?
They're burning. Oh my god.
I like it, but I can't talk.
No, why are you eating this? Oh my god, I'm dying.
Just don't even talk, just eat.
I can't do this.
My lips are on fire.
My tongue is on fire. No, I can't do this. I lost the challenge because I can't finish it. No, I like spicy, but this is too spicy. Nope. Look at my lips. Sorry, friend. Oh my god.
Dios mío.
I can't. I lost. I can't do it anymore. My tongue's on fire. Why are you eating that?
How does it taste with the beer?
I don't know. My tongue is numb.
Oh, it fucking feels good with the beer. No, I can't breathe in.
I want to cry. How do you guys do these shits? These fucking people are insane.
Okay.
She's almost done.
I can't do it anymore.
Okay. So I lost a challenge and she won because this is how much
I
she
probably
ate.
have more of that. Oh my god, we need milk.
And this is how much. Alright. 2 scoops. Whew. That's hot.
Get the wipes. Hot flashes.
I don't know why you did that. What the hell am I supposed to give you? Like $50 for that? We didn't say that.
Give me milk.
What do we win if we win the challenge? I'll give you some makeup. Woo! I took 2 bites. 2 bites and I was out. I don't even think. Let me do the other one. My chest. My chest hurts.
I want to eat more, but it hurts. Your lips feel like
Yes.
plumpy.
I got Botox.
Is it Botox?
Lip injections. I got lip injections. For free.
Ah.
It hurts.
Yo, literally my face is like...
You're mad red.
Yo, my eyes, I look like I smoked.
Well, I went and got milk for her because I know she needs that.
Is it bad that I want to eat more?
Yeah, it is.
I want to finish it, but I'm scared. I have milk with me, so let's see.
Oh my god, I think she could do it. Oh my god, how do you do that? Oh my god, she did it.
Okay,
I feel like Boosie.
let's test the theory of milk helping. It helps.
Let me see. Let me see if I drink a little bit, then.
It helps. It helped because I'm not dying.
It does help. Okay. Let me see if I can finish.
I don't know if you got finished.
Let's see if I just eat it off
Oh my lord.
in one bite. Okay. If I eat this much.
Ay, my lips. Okay. Milkies. La leche.
I ate in my hair. Whew. If I pass out,
I don't think beer helps at all. Don't drink beer with spicy food. You know, other countries like really just eat this like nothing.
okay. I think the milk helped because it's going down smoother.
It's gonna come up though. I would say if you can't finish it, don't finish it because you got that other one. I almost cried just now. You didn't hear me? Like, yeah, that one over there. Bitch.
Okay.
What the fuck?
So this is how much I'm eating because that's spicy. But
let me get it now.
I tried.
She did good. She did good. At least she didn't take 2 bites. She didn't chicken out. But that, I don't know. Hopefully this one is like lighter. I don't know if I could take like more. Milk does help. The beer was like not helping.
Yes.
Here, clean your mouth. Okay, with the wifey, just put it on. Dab.
Damn, look at that. Nasty.
Just dab, dab.
I'm dying. Whose idea was this?
Yours. Is it hurting you?
I went back to the beginning.
We gotta check that milk. You're gonna have to go get more.
I want to cry.
You're in the hot flash right now? Like, you go through stages and then your cheeks start to hurt. Not hurt, but like tingle.
Oh, fuck. Oh, my tongue is on fire. I have blush on, but honestly, I think that's red too.
Everything gets red. Like my eyes are fucking red. Can you drink the whole milk?
I'm gonna get more. Okay, so we're serving the second one, which is from the purple packaging, and it's called the mala. I think that's how you say it. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna finish this. I think she's gonna win again.
I don't know, my stomach is hurting.
And this one smells really weird. It smells, and it has like weird,
like an Indian type of.
yeah, it has like weird stuff in it too, which I'm not trying to eat. Look at that. It has that.
Like little pieces of steak.
I don't know.
It looks like steak or beef.
Yeah, I don't trust that. Don't eat it.
And carrot.
It has mushrooms too, I think, which I'm not trying to eat either. I'm not trying to get an allergic reaction or whatever. So let's give it a try. Now, on the count of 3, here goes the second part
Oh my God,
of
look at all
our
the
challenge.
Spices on it.
1, 2, 3.
It's not that bad. Maybe. Wait, hold on.
Oh, it is bad. Oh. It tastes like licorice. Tastes weird.
Yeah.
That's what.
Like licorice.
That's what you smell.
Oh, hell no. It's a bad taste. And then the spicy like creeps up.
Yeah.
Like, no. I don't like this one. It is a really bad taste in your mouth.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh.
It tastes bad. It tastes horrible. The other one was tasty, at least. It was spicy, but you could taste the chicken flavor. This is just, it's not as spicy. It tastes bad. I always think I'm gonna finish it because it tastes nasty. Oh,
That's really gross.
it tastes bad. It's not spicy, like a spice that I can't handle, like the first one, but it just tastes horrible.
Yeah. She had it on the money. It tastes like licorice. Like, really.
I don't like licorice.
It shouldn't be on soup. And it creeps.
No, to me, it's not that spicy. It hasn't been spicy. It's just not good tasting.
No.
So yeah, I lost again, but not by the spiciness, but because it tastes like butt. It tastes really bad.
I would have eaten this if we had like another serving of the first one.
Yeah, the first one was, I couldn't handle it because of the spiciness, honestly.
That flavor is
But it tastes
gross.
good. But this one here,
This is the first one.
it's
so yummy.
Maybe I'll take a bite from the first one.
Yeah,
See.
it takes the flavor away.
But
That mala is not good.
this one tastes so good. Like, compared to that one.
Oh my god.
But you see, it's so spicy. I can't handle it. I can't handle that spiciness. Whew.
Hi-ya!
Oh yeah, no, I can't handle that.
Contemplating all my choices in life right now.
And that's how we end it, with beer.
I ended mine with milk because ew.
Okay, so what are your thoughts? I know we've already said that the first one was tastier. The second one tastes like complete crap. So overall, what's your judgment?
Anyone that likes this is mental. This is crazy. This is abuse on yourself. Not worth it. I mean, this challenge sucks. What about you?
I agree. The challenge sucks. I don't think I'm gonna eat these ever again. It's too spicy. My tongue is numb. Like, I swallow and then I'm like struggling to swallow. My chest hurts. You guys who do this a lot, or who eat these in mukbangs, are insane. Like,
This might not be healthy either. Like,
yeah, obviously,
have like a hole in your stomach if you eat enough of these.
yeah, definitely. And like I said, you guys who do mukbangs eating this, you guys that are constantly eating this, you guys, props to you guys, because this is fucking insane. Really, it's super spicy. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us struggle and almost crying. Our tongues are still on fire. We can barely talk. We're struggling here. We're gonna get through this. Hopefully. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and
Yes.
cheers. See you next time.